Hello, in this video, I'm going to create a bucket using the standard storage tier, right? The standard type. So, and I'm going to upload an object, and make it public. So let's just get into it. So I'll come to the navigation menu and then I'll come to storage and I'll click on buckets and I'll just click on create buckets. So I want to use the standard storage tier, right? So we have the archive one, but I want to use the standard storage tier. So I'll just put this as standard. Then I'll just click on create down here. So once I create the bucket, the visibility is automatically private. So let me just click on the bucket and then I'll come down here. I'll upload an object. In this case, I want to upload, an image. Select files. Then I'll just click on this, open. Then this is it right here. Just click on upload. So it has been uploaded, right? Finished. So let me close this. And let's see, since it is private, let's see if we can access this image. So I'll come here, view object details, and then I'll get this URL for the object, right? So we'll just copy that, and then I'll come to my browser, paste, enter. So you see, it says you are not authorized to access it. I'm not authorized. So to be able to access that object, maybe you want to use it for, maybe a website or something. There are two ways you can do it. Number one, you can make the visibility here public. So let's do that. Edit, public, save, right? So save. So what I did was I came to edit visibility and then I made it public. So since I already made this public now, right? If I just come back here and reload, you see, I can access the image. I can access this. So if I go back, so the other way I can make that object accessible is I can keep my bucket to be private, right? Maybe you don't want that user to have access to your account, right? But you want the user, to have access to this, to this image. So let's get back and edit visibility, change the visibility to private, save changes. Okay, so now it's private, right? So since it's private now, you see, I can't access it. So now what I can do is I can come here, click on these three dots and create pre-authenticated request. So click on that. And then here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make this object public for till March 8th, right? So it's going to be public till March 8th. And in fact, I can even set the time, maybe till, whatever. So I'm just going to put March 8th there, right? And then I'll create pre-authenticated request. And then I can just copy this URL, copy, and then if I paste it here, you will see that I can access, you see, I can access the image, even though the bucket, if I close this now, even though my bucket is private, right? See, that's amazing. So even though my bucket is private, I can access the image. So that's one thing, that's one way one can do it. So I hope this video helps. Thank you.